I'm going to explain how database and DBMS or Database Management System work together. In the illustration, you can see the database, the DBMS, SQL or the Structured Query Language, different applications, and a user. Database is an organized collection of data created to operate large quantities of information by inputting, storing, retrieving, and managing information. These are set up so that one set of software programs provide all users with access to all data. DBMS is a software program providing the interface between a database and a user. It is specially designed software applications that interact with the other applications and a user through SQL in the database itself to capture and analyze the data. A general purpose of DBMS is a software system designed to allow the definition, creation, querying, update, and administration of database. It is responsible for maintaining the integrity and security of stored data and recovering information if the system fails.